We have the last Clarkson train until like the evening, around 5 or 6. So these Clarkson trains will go on in the morning around 10. We'll stop at 10, and then they'll continue at like 5, I think, or 4. Run through cars, EMU 103, rear through cars, EMU 62. EMU's 103, I believe, and 62, leaving platform 2 for a Clarkson service. Next Butler train is due in 10 minutes. No, 9. Clarkson trains are still running. I don't get it. It's probably the second last one. First service arriving on platform number 1. Almost at platform 2. I don't know why. Bin. EMU 134. No, 124 is leading. The service on departing platform number 1. Shall stop all stations to Perth. Then all stations to Mandurah. Front 3 cars, EMU 124. Rear 3 cars is EMU 89. Next train 14 minutes. Butler service is slowly arriving on platform number 2. EMU 109 leading. I think it's a glitch because I've never seen the Clarkson service be in 7 minutes. Front 3 cars EMU 109, rear 3 cars EMU 108. Brother sets. Yes, finally. Butler service departing platform number 2. And so this video might be 7 minutes to like 9 minutes long. Front 3 cars EMU 109, rear 3 cars EMU 108. Brother sets. I said earlier in the video my goal is to get brother sets, and I just did. Clarkson train. EMU 97 leading. EMU 97 leading. And the EMU 96 trailing. Sister set. So close to a brother set. EMU's 97, 96 leaving platform 2 for a Clarkson service. I might just put watch till the end in the title. We'll put read description in the title. I probably already see that. Or if I don't do it, next Butler train 9 minutes. Butler service arriving on platform 2, front 3 cars, EMU 88. Clarkson train that I filmed before was the last one. Finally, yeah. And there's a Perth train there. Front 3 cars, EMU 88, rear 3 cars, EMU 78. EMU 92 and 113 now departing platform number 1 for a Perth service. Whilst EMU 88 and 78 depart platform 2 for a Butler service. Two trains at the same time at Currambine.
Does not stop at this station.
Next Butler train 16 minutes. The first non-service train out of the second one. So now about to pass through platform number 2 at high speed. EMU 107 leading. Front 3 cars, EMU 107, rear 3 cars, EMU 53. Last non-service train, now about to pass through platform 2. This train's even faster, I believe. EMU 68 leading. Front 3 cars, EMU 68, rear 3 cars, EMU 54. If you guys enjoyed the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the next vlog. And this video is trimmed. It's in the title.